Good morning. Myself, Dr. Lakshmaya from the Department of Prosthodontics and Implants. Today we have to discuss about introduction of preclinical prosthodontics. Coming to the definition of prosthodontics. Prosthodontics is the dental specialty pertaining to the diagnosis, treatment plan, rehabilitation, and maintenance of oral function, comfort, appearance, and health of patients with clinical condition associated with missing or defective teeth and or maxillofacial tissues using biocompatible substitutes. Coming to the branches in prosthodontics, removable prosthodontics, fixed prosthodontics, implant prosthodontics, maxillofacial prosthodontics. In complete denture is defined as the replacement of the natural teeth in the arch and their associated parts by artificial substitutes, mainly classified removable complete denture, fixed complete denture. Coming to the removable partial denture is defined replacing of missing teeth and supporting tissue with a process designed to be removed by the wearer. It's classified into removable complete denture process, removable partial denture process. In removable partial denture process, extracoronal and intracoronal. Extracoronal partial denture used external attachments with encircle the existing teeth or retention and stability. Intracoronal partial denture use internal retentive components which get locked into the tooth to produce the retention and support. When coming to the fixed prosthodontics is defined as a partial denture that is cemented to natural teeth or root which furnish the primary support to the process. Which can be removed and inserted is not done by the patient. A restoration or replacement which attached by the cementing media to the natural teeth or root or implants. GPT definition. Implant process and maxillofacial process. These are the instruments to carry along with you to preclinical prosthodontics lab. Coming to the instruments, a tool or implement especially on using for delicate work or for scientific purpose, artistic and scientific purpose. Coming to the dental instruments, it is a tool or device used for specific time of dental works or produced in prosthodontics. Those instruments using for cutting and reducing the hardness of the teeth. Instruments can be carried by divided into diagnostic, cutting, and restorating. In diagnostics, probes, tweezers, mouth mirrors, kidney, everything undergoes on diagnostic. Cutting, chisel, like handmade cutting instruments are rotary. Restorations, amalgam condensers, excavators, etc. Instruments like using clinical, laboratory, surgical, and sterilization. Laboratory instruments for fabrication of cast, fabrication of wax patterns for processing, and finishing and polishing of the instruments. Finishing, polishing instruments. Fabrication of cast while using plaster spatula, wax knife, die saw. Coming to the fabrication of cast for using plaster spatula and wooden handle or plastic. Stainless steel blade 3.5 mm into 1.5. It's available in market in 3.5 by 5 for user or function for mixing plaster and dental stone. Curved spatula. It is used for mixing impression plaster. Plastic spatula. It's made up of plastic. This type of spatula are used for mixing particularly alternate impression material. Wax knife, Giltman's plaster knife. Coming to the functions, to cut the plaster according to the shape need before cutting the plaster, used to apply in the way needed. Wax knife, Franklin stock. They have two sizes, small size at one end, large size at one another end. Small size for use of fabrication of crowns for placing and carving inlay wax. In large size to fabrication for use of melting, placing and carving of modeling wax. Hot plate, it is mainly used for during the fabrication of occlusal rims to even the all the surfaces. Lecron's carver for the carving of inlay wax in production of crowns. Hylene carver, Hylene carver for used for fine trimming of wax. Lecron carver used for fine trimming of wax at various stages of denture construction like carving, treatment, teeth arrangement, everything. Wax spatula number 7. It is mainly used during the teeth arrangement procedures. It is used for wax contouring and sealing. Stainless steel spatulas for using the zinc oxide paste mixing spatula. Plastic and agate spatula. Plastic spatula is mainly used for GIC mixing. With the help of mixing is usually done on plastic graphite paper pad. Glass slab is used for mixing the zinc oxide usinol paste and powder. Glass slab, it is used for arranging of teeth according to the glass plate relation. Rubber balls is made up of with plastic and soft rubber. It is used for mixing of alginate, mixing plaster, stone and investment material. Macantho sheet, it is a waterproof sheet to prevent the contamination and infections. It is very good tear strength. Metallic carbide burrs or trimmers. It is more mainly using for the trimming and polishing purpose. Carbide cuttings are highly efficient, popular around the world, applied mainly for the blaster and acrylic. Vulcanite and acrylic trimmers have different sizes and different shapes. It's mainly used for the acrylic trimming purpose on stone. Emery paper or sandpaper. These abrasive sandpapers with different numbers with different abrasives is there, or mechanically finished surface. Operations includes polishing, paint removal, corrosion removal, etc. Cotton holder. It is used for hold the cotton in this bin. Spirit lamp for use for the purpose of making occlusal rims, teeth arrangement. Blowtorch used for the finishing of the carving and preliminary impression while making with impression compound it should be used, and finishing of the border molding surfaces. Chip blower with knobs, packing individual. These also used for finishing the surfaces like in the border molding and finishing and polishing of the wax. Files are many sizes with shapes, different shapes, hand, uh, square, round, triangle, flat, knife edge, mostly commonly used in our PCP lab, or half round should be morely used for the to fabrication of grooves and notches in mastercast for the purpose of the retention of the during articulation. These are the droppers used for uh, storing of the cold cure acrylic material. Straight scissors and curved scissors for mainly used for cutting the excessive waste ingredients, and for use of tweezer cutting purpose, gauze cutting purpose. Chisel. These used to remove and swap the plaster models, and also countering area of the bone. Bevel on cutting edge should be one end and another end should be round. BP blade with handles, mostly used blades are 11 and 15. Eosin and emetoxin pencils. These were mainly used for the fabrication of special tray. Draw the lines with the three different variations like spacer line, limiting area line, and spacer line and tray line. And another more important, it is used for the reproduction of the posterior palatal seal to the impression. Oil paints and painting brushes. It is used for fabrication of anatomical landmarks on the cost. Both maxilla and mandible with the different colors should be coated like areas, stress-bearing areas, relieving areas, and limiting areas. T burnisher. One end should be round and one end should be flat. Should be more useful for the detection of the posterior palatal seal area. Straight and curved probe. It is mainly used for the diagnostic instruments. Versatility flask and clamp. These are three parts. The core, drag and cap. This is the used to fabrication of complete denture and acrylization of the complete denture. Drag is bottom, cope is middle of the clasp, cap is the tin top of the flask. Mean value articulator. It is non-adjustable articulator designed during the fixed dimension device from the average distance between the incisal and condylar guidance of the more of the population. Enamel tray and kidney tray. Kidney tray are used for the diagnostic purpose to carry the diagnostic instruments to the chair. Edentulous non-perforated trays and edentulous perforated trays. Edentulous non-perforated trays are used to fabrication of preliminary impression for the edentulous patients with help of the impression material like impression compound. Edentulous perforated trays are mostly used in edentulous patient for the fabrication for the for impression making. Material of the choice is alginate. Dentulous trays is used to making the impression with the dentulous patients. Tap condition motor and pistil. Motor and pistil are used for the amalgam mixing during the cavity. Class 1, class 2. Thank you.